Good morning. Good morning, Brookie.
Good morning.
How did you dream?
Huh?
How did you dream?
No, I don't remember.
Little
I
Miss
don't remember going to bed.
Drunky.
Well, you kept calling out my name.
Oh.
And Gump, Forrest Gump.
How did you dream?
What did you dream? Well, there's a squirrel.
Toby.
And you?
I dreamed about chickens. My little nugget.
Oh, that's so cute.
Stay tuned.
I had a dream.
Tell us.
Oh yeah, we're looking.
It was actually, and it came true. So I had a dream that I had to pee. And as soon as I got up, I was about to get up, Julia went to pee. and so I couldn't pee. And so I laid there and was like, I can hold it. And then I'm like, it was like 5 minutes had passed and she's already out and gone and already fallen back asleep and I still have to pee.
I have to pee too. Did you?
And then I pissed all over the bed.
Did you really?
No.
Are you sitting in your piss?
Why do you think it's so warm?
I had a feeling. I was like, whoo, Fox, you were cold all night, but this is awfully warm.
I was cold. I was
She
shivering.
breathed.
I get really cold to where I shiver and then I sweat. It's a lot of work, guys.